God, I got this. Come on!
Just do it.
Fucking puss.
Nope, it goes too high. I can't push up it or I'll stop.
That's not even hit me first.
I got your eyes. wait. Oh no. Oh, look, get the ass. Get the ass. Oh, penis. Get the ass. Oh. Oh, shit. Sexy ass, man. Oh, there's the sack. Did I say you can do that with my scooter? Did I seriously say you could do that on my scooter? Why?
Because you're killing the battery.
Okay, this is funny.
You want your scooter to go on top of the fucking roof?
But it's funny.
Turn it the hell off.
It's funny.
Turn off the roof.